Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of these small mozzarella cheese balls that are small, just the size of an egg. How do you go about pronouncing this? Bocconcini. You do want to stress on the third syllable. The first double C is pronounced like a K. The second C, because it's by itself, is pronounced like CH. Bocconcini. Bocconcini. Pretty straightforward once you know. Bocconcini. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many more useful Italian words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.